To begin, open the TikTok app on your phone. Log into your TikTok account, if you haven't already. Now go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines from the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. Under the Content and Display section, go to Notifications. Swipe up to scroll down and find the section labeled Personalized Post Suggestions. Here, you will see posts from people you may know. Simply toggle the switch off to disable this feature. From now on, you will no longer see suggested posts from people you may know in your feed. This helps keep your feed cleaner and more focused on content from people you actually follow. So that's how you can turn off posts from people you may know on TikTok.